outside today, the Division of Corporations, state of Florida. This is where you drop off an apostille document, which is basically any kind of legal form that you want authenticated by the Secretary of State. In this case, just notarized paperwork for a client of ours. Typically, we don't show up at Tallahassee.
We have an amazing courier here in Tallahassee, but we happen to be here in Tallahassee on spring break, so we're just going to take the documents in ourselves. We've got our check made out. We've got all of our paperwork notarized. We have the correct
intake form.
Yep, the intake form and a jurat for, in this case, it is a POA for it's somebody in Italy, right? Is that what it is? Yeah.
It'll say on the intake form, but so we're gonna go do this, and then we would pick that apostille form up, and then give it to our client. Obviously, we use a courier under other circumstances.
And we've got everything filled out. So that's everything. Okay, thank you. Alright guys, this is it. Took 5 minutes to do. And here is our apostille form, so we will bring this to our client on Wednesday when we get back into town. Super easy, yeah.
So what's the walk away on that? How much do you pocket for that service?
$150 for, well, I mean, we drove to Tallahassee, but normally we would pay our courier like we had stated earlier, and we would probably walk away after paying our courier with about, I think it's about $150 still after we charge the client. So, and pay our courier. Go ahead, start.
Okay, so there you have it. There is the simple process of apostilles. Now, there are different apostille trainings available. They usually range in the 200 to 300 range. We include in our course what you need to know to get going, the most important stuff. I feel like a lot of those courses, I think they overcomplicate things, or they make it sound overcomplicated to justify maybe the pricing on it.
Yeah.
There's really no substitute. Once you have the basic know-how, there's no substitute for just doing it. It's pretty simplistic. There are some procedural things that you do need to know about them. It's a great supplement to your notary business.
Definitely. You guys saw how easy it was. If you do get in contact with a courier, I think we dropped, do we have a link to our courier?
It's in our course. We disclose who our couriers
Yeah.
are, as well as some of the intake forms for some of the larger states. There's also the opportunity, if you are near the state capital, that you yourself can market yourself as a courier to other apostille agents, and we covered that, a little of that too in the course. I just want to add as a closing note that there's apostille agent certifications. Let me just tell you this. Okay, this is unregulated pretty much everywhere. So you're just offering this service to people because you have the know-how. You're going to have the logistics of it. Okay, so these apostille agent certifications and credentials, this is all kind of made up stuff. And if people are selling that on top of their course, this is, you know, there's something of, they're going to be something about a huckster, you know, it's
Yeah.
They're giving you something that really doesn't have value. You're bringing this to the public as a service to the public. And if you can facilitate an apostille, I don't think they much care whether you're an apostille agent or you have an apostille certification.
They sure haven't for us for the past 3 years.
No, they will just pay you the money because you can facilitate the transaction.
Exactly. So to go purchase a course for $200 or $300 to learn just how to do the apostille, I think it's kind of silly, because we include it in our course for only a little bit more money than that, and on top of everything else.
Right. By far the most important step in the process is marketing your apostille services, which to my knowledge, none of the apostille certifications are actually telling you how to go out there and get the client acquisition.
And
to
if
make
you
that
know
money.
us, and if you've been watching us, then you know we focus heavily on marketing yourself in all areas. So that's it, right?
Yep.
That's everything. We want to show you
Links
guys.
in the description, like, follow, share.
Absolutely. We are at Wakulla Springs in Tallahassee at the moment. Our kids are swimming. It's beautiful. a high jump over there that our kids are gonna jump. Ollie, Ruby, say hi. Hey, so one more thing. We challenge you guys to find those apostille courses and let us know the prices because we're really curious.
And let us know if they are certifying you as an apostille agent that you don't need.
That's it,
All right?
right?
That's it.